up in my van at the camping in Australia.
It's 8:52 in the morning and I just packed up my stuff, threw away some trash, and now we are about to head out from this camping.
There are many cool waterfalls in Australia. This is Mapleton Falls that goes 120 meters down to the valley.
On our way to Baxter Falls.
The nature is untouched and incredible in Australia, with lots of rainforests and green areas. Perhaps because there are only 25 million people in the country and humans haven't had a chance to destroy it yet.
Looks like shit in there.
There are many reptiles in Australia, and it's not unusual to see lizards that are longer than 1 meter. A lot of places are totally untouched.
We've been hiking for about 40 minutes and now I'm here on the bridge. This hike is actually really incredible. The trees are about 40 to 60 meters tall. It's a really cool experience walking around in the ancient rainforests of Australia.
There are many rivers and waterfalls in Australia and really cool rock formations. The water was so refreshing after a long hike through the rainforest, and I really enjoyed swimming around in all the little pools. Since this area gets so much rain, there are also really tall trees in the rainforest.
This is the rainforest at Mapleton Falls. A rainforest is characterized by an annual rainfall between 250 to 450 centimeters. The trees can get up to 50 meters tall, and that's because of all of the rain.
To climb the tree, you have to grab the tree with the bottom of your feet, then use your right hand at the top and the left hand at the bottom to get leverage and push yourself up. Then you repeat the process.
I don't think I can get all the way up.
Once you let go of your feet, then you have to grab the tree again with your feet and tilt your knees outward to get a good grip. There are many really cool trees in the rainforest, but now it was time to make lunch. The rainforest was incredible, but now it was time to leave and head back to the coast.
Oh, hello everybody! Now I am on my way to a place called Noosa, a really good place for surfing along the east coast of Australia. Wow, wow, wee, wow!
1 hour later.
Just made it here to Noosa, and there are so many people here, way too many people, but seems to be a really cool place.
Noosa is a popular vacation destination not only for Australians but also for people from the rest of the world. The ocean goes into the city of Noosa through many canals, and there are expensive boats and houses in the canals. There are beaches surrounding the city, and Noosa is also a really great spot for surfing.
Good evening, I'm here in my van just transferring some files from today's video taking. It's a really nice life actually. I just parked my van here 20 meters from the beach. Tomorrow morning I think I'm gonna go swimming.
The next morning I jumped into the water and got ready for a hike through the mountains.
I'm just gonna have some breakfast before I go. Eat some bread and some jam and some bananas. Filling up some water here like usual. It's only 8:20 in the morning here in Noosa and the beach is already packed with people.
One of the reasons why Noosa is so popular is because of the clear and blue water.
We're doing this walk along the Noosa head. You will see beach after beach coming up along the edge of the landscape.
The name Noosa came from the Aboriginal word meaning shade or shadows, probably because of the tall forest in the area that created shade. The Aboriginals had been visiting Noosa for 40,000 years before Europeans first arrived in the 1800s.
I'm starting to get up to some higher grounds here in Noosa. What an amazing day!
The Noosa Head is one of the most popular attractions for people visiting Noosa. There is a scenic coastal hike that takes you out to all the steep rock formations.
Taking a break here, eating some seeds, and I'm thinking, how in the world did all this water get here in the first place? It must have come from somewhere or something, but then again, people talk about Big Bang, and why would that just happen? Why would it just, something just explode, and then all of a sudden everything was here?
The fairy pools in Noosa is also a famous tourist attraction.
Morning everybody, I just woke up. Living the simple life is one of the best things I know actually. I've just been driving around, sleeping in my van, cooking on a little portable stove, and life is so simple. I'm so free. What am I gonna do today? I don't know actually. I think I might drive down towards Brisbane because I'm going to meet someone there in 2 days. I just took a shower. It was really nice. There's a shower in here. Sometimes it's actually hard to find the shower. This is definitely one of the best times I've had in a while. I'm so free. I got my bed with me here in the back. I don't have much stuff, just one bag of like 15 kilos.
I had been driving for a while, but I stopped to do a quick workout by some waterfall in the forest. I didn't have any weights, but I was using my bag. After my workout, I got to enjoy sitting in the nice pools in the clean water. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave this video a thumbs up.
Please follow me on social media and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.